Hello everyone, and welcome to How-FixIT. If your PS5 disk drive still isn't working and laser cleaning didn't fix it, this video will show you how to replace the drive so it works properly again. I'll cover two options, a full disk drive replacement and a less expensive repair that replaces only the optical laser module. The guide includes detailed reassembly so you can complete the repair without any problems. This guide covers the 2022 revision of the original PlayStation 5. Check the model number on the bottom of your console. The code starts with CFI, followed by numbers and a letter. This video applies to models such as CFI-1215A or CFI-1216A and others. If you have a 2020 to 2021 model such as CFI-1015A or CFI-1116A, you can still follow this guide. Just note there may be minor differences in the console and disk drive disassembly steps. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. A screwdriver set with Torx T8 Security and Phillips No. 1 bits, plastic opening tools, and tweezers. I've included links to all the tools in the video description below. I also highly recommend using a magnetic mat. The PlayStation 5 uses many screws of different sizes. Organizing them prevents mix-ups and makes reassembly easier. A magnetic mat helps you prevent them from getting lost since they stay attached to the mat. It's a simple but very helpful tool when working on complex devices. Alright, let's begin. Place the console on its side with the disk drive facing up, lift the top left corner of the faceplate to unclip it, slide it to the right, and remove it. Peel up the wire cover, then disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard. Insert a spudger under the grille and remove it. Remove the 4 fan screws and lift the fan out. Throughout this service, keep track of each screw and make sure it goes back exactly where it came from to avoid damaging your console. Loosen the expansion slot cover screw and remove the cover. If you have an M2 SSD installed, remove it. Remove the 11 screws securing the case. There's a single screw hidden under the warranty sticker. Lift it with tweezers and remove the screw. Remove the top plastic cover. Disconnect the optical drive ribbons. On the first connector, pull straight up. On the second cable, press the metal locking tab and pull the blue tab straight out. Remove the optical drive and set the PS5 aside. First, an important clarification. You can't just install a different disk drive and expect it to work. You must open the old drive and transfer its mainboard to the new drive assembly, or the replacement will not function. Remove all screws securing the top cover of the drive. Disconnect the ribbon cables from the main board. Remove the 2 screws securing the board. Flip the board over, open the connector lock, and disconnect the last ribbon cable. This is the main drive board and it's electronically tied to your console. If you choose the complete drive assembly replacement, the most expensive option, you must transfer this board to the new drive. I've included a link to a new drive assembly for the original PS5 in the video description below. Please make sure you select the correct disk drive version for your PS5 model. For the CFI-1200 series, use drive version 3, which also supports models like CFI-1215A, CFI-1216A, and other 1200 series variants. For the CFI-1100 series, use drive version 2. For the original CFI-1000 series, use drive version 1. Choosing the wrong version can cause compatibility issues, so double-check your model number before ordering. The more affordable option is replacing the internal optical drive module, which includes the disk loading mechanism and the laser lens module. Since you'll transfer the main board and can reuse the metal housing, this option costs less and is ideal if your loading mechanism was unstable. As with the full disk drive assembly, check that the module version matches your PS5. A compatible module link is in the description. Next, I'll show you how to replace just the laser lens module. The cheapest fix if loading and ejecting is fine, but disks fail to read. Remove the 4 screws securing the upper cover with the disk loading mechanism. If your console still reads some disks and you haven't cleaned the laser yet, watch my laser cleaning guide first. It might solve the problem. If you've already tried that and it didn't help, let's move on to the replacement. Turn the optical drive module over and disconnect the ribbon cable from the housing. Remove the 4 screws securing the laser lens module. Lift out the module and disconnect its ribbon cable. Replacing the laser lens module is the least expensive repair if your drive loads and ejects properly but throws disk read errors. The replacement must match the model KEM497AAA printed on the module. I've included a link to the replacement laser lens module with deck in the video description below. Good news! KEM497AAA laser module is used across all original PS5 Disc Edition models, CFI-1000, CFI-1100, and CFI-1200 series. And it will match the KEM497AAA marking on your original drive. Yes, there's some careful disassembly, but it's the most cost-effective option with no compatibility risk. Connect the ribbon cable to the laser lens module. Install the module and secure it with 4 screws. Before assembling the disk drive, place the mechanism in the home position and only then close the drive. Check the edge gear from the side of the housing. It should be free to move. Ensure the plastic lever engages the tab in the large left cam. Manually cycle the mechanism. It should move smoothly with the large white cam. Ensure the 2 plastic tabs engage their slots, then secure the top mechanism cover with 4 screws. Connect the wide ribbon to the main drive board, flip the board, and secure it with 2 screws. Connect the remaining 3 cables to the board. Install the drive's top cover and secure it with screws. Reinstall the optical drive and reconnect both ribbon cables. Install the top plastic cover over the motherboard and secure the screws. Install the expansion slot cover and secure it with the screw. Install the fan, connect its cable, and secure 4 screws. Finally, slide the faceplate back on until it clicks. The PS5 is now fully assembled. Connect it, power it on, and test the disk drive. If this guide was helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more repair tutorials. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. By the way, if you spilled a sugary drink on your PS5 controller and the buttons are sticking, check out my tutorial on cleaning and restoring the DualSense controller. For additional details, check out the useful links in the description below. Thanks for watching How-FixIT. See you next time.